Goa is lacking behind with quality players in football. It's very important to promote the state, point to grassroots, as well as it will help in having quality players. This is what the Ports Minister and Calangute MLA Michael Lobo said on Wednesday evening. Michael also stressed on the development of infrastructure in the state. Watch. Michael Lobo was speaking during the finals of the Intermedia football tournament at Bambolim on Wednesday. Watch him to what he has to say.
A lot of boys and girls are very passionate about this game in Goa. To take it to a other level, we require dedication, commitment, and sincerity from all the coaches. The coaches have to be very sincere in teaching, in giving new ideas how to be competing with the international standards. Once upon a time, we had youth from Goa playing for national team. We had our Brahmanand, Sakawkar, we had our Bruno Coutinho, and all these guys playing for India. But today we see them, most of them, they have dedication, but time comes where they leave this beautiful game of football. The technology has overcome us, so we have to. Technology is there only. Technology will come, will change. Boys and girls are more into all these gadgets and all these things. But commitment to this beautiful game of football should be put in the minds of the youth at a very, very young age.
School level.
From school level, village level, and for that you require good infrastructure. Infrastructure is lacking in most of the villages of Goa. Now, in my constituency, we are doing up all 4 football grounds.